Hello, welcome to a quick unboxing of the ZOHD VC400 piggyback series vTx camera. This is a really cool one because what it adds to the package is that this one comes with a built-in OSD. So when I'm normally using like the vTx cameras, they don't have an OSD with vBat. And the newer run cams do have vBat, but you still need a transmitter. And with this one, you don't need it. It's all in one. You can power it. Well, what's the manual? It's down here. You should be able to power it from, I think, 2S to 6S or something. Let's look this up really quickly here. So it says 7 to 28 volts. Okay, so 6S should be fine. It's 5.8 gigahertz. And let's look at channels with race band. That's all I care about. And let's see, it has pit mode, so 0.1 milliwatts. That's really cool. Goes up to 400 milliwatts. 120 degrees field of view. That could be a bit narrow, but I think it will be fine. Very nice, very nice. I wanted to use the one with the clover leaf. But yeah, there's also a picky dipole version out there. But I'm not so much into linear. I know some guys are, especially for planes, when you don't have to worry about like reflections. So yeah, let's get some weight measurement going here. Oh, and I have to talk about this. That's nice as well. 8.5 grams, and using the strap. Let's remove this here really quick. I want to get a good result. I mean, in the end, if you're going for a super light build, you will cut the wire shorter, obviously. Let's see. Is it still 0? It's 0. 8.3 grams. And this thing is like 0.7 grams. And the cool thing about this one is you can like strap it onto your plane like this. Put it on like that. And then you just need something to put it around, and then just like zip tie it or zip it to it. No glue needed. It's a pretty sleek idea. Okay, I think so much for the unboxing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.